Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rivaldi Iksan, student of Business Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. At this opportunity, I will explain the final result of my research. The title is The Influence of Promotion and Ease of Use on the Decision to Transact Using Shopify. Before I explain, I would like to thank my supervisor, Mrs. Rina Parlina and Mr. Nurdin Hidayat, who have given me direction during this research. The following are the result of the research I get. This is my research model. Next is chapter 4, result and discussion. The first I will show the profile of the respondent. Gender with a total 203, consisting of men 74, women 129. Next is age with a total 203, 16 to 20 years is 83, 21 to 25 years is 120. The next is study program. Associate degree office administration is 18, associate degree accounting is 19, associated degree marketing management is 13, bachelor degree management is 17, bachelor degree management is 17, bachelor degree accounting is 24, business education is 74, office administration education is 16, economic education is 22, with a total 203. The next is generation. The next is generation from 2017 is 99, from 2018 69, from 2019 34, from 2020 is 1, with a total 203. Next is transaction decision data profile. The highest frequency is in the SIG class interval with a range of 64 to 65 with a 59 respondent and a relative frequency of 29%. Meanwhile, the lowest frequency is in the 9 class interval with a range of 70 to 72 with 4 respondent and a relative frequency of 2%. The largest percentage is on the internal stimulation indicator of 8.6%, with my statement using the ShopeePay application to make it easy for me when transaction or shopping online, while the smallest percentage is in the indicator assessing several existing alternatives at 8%, with a statement I prefer to use ShopeePay than other digital wallet product. Next is promotion data profile. The highest frequency is in the 6 class interval with range of 37 to 38 with a 87 respondent and a relative frequency of 42.8%. Meanwhile, the lowest frequency is in the second class interval with a range of 29 to 13 with one respondent and a relative frequency of 0.5%. The largest percentage is in the attractiveness of the promotion indicator of 14 14.7%, with the discount statement on existing promos being able to persuade me to transact using ShopeePay. while the smallest percentage is in the promotion rate indicator of 13.8%, with advertising statement about ShopeePay being able to spread widely so that I can easily find out about ShopeePay. Next is ease of use data profile. The highest frequency is in the 7th grade interval with a range of 16 to 63, with a total of 83 respondents and a relative frequency of 40.8%. Meanwhile, the lowest frequency lies in the first, second, third, and fourth class interval with a range of 36 to 39, 40 to 43, 44 to 47, and 48 to 51, with one respondent and a relative frequency of 0.5%. The largest percentage is in the learning indicator. In using payment application, it is not difficult for me at 8.5%, with a statement that learning to use ShopeePay to make online payment is not difficult for me. While the smallest percentage is in the indicator, I feel that digital payments are very easy to use at 8.1%, with the statement that the ShopeePay application is very user-friendly and easy to use. The next is normality test. The testing using the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov exact test. The result from x1 to y are 0.404, which are greater than the provision of 0.05, so it can be concluded if the data is normally distributed. Testing using the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov exact test found the result of x2 to y of 0.220, which is greater than the provision of 0.05, so it can be concluded if the data is normally distributed. Next is probability plot normality test. From the picture on the side, it can be seen that the data distribution is not fair from the diagonal line, so it can be concluded that the data normality distributed. Next is linearity test. Variable x1 to y show a significance value on linearity of 0.00, uh, smaller than 0.05, meaning that the variable has a significant effect. Variable x2 to y show a significant value on linearity of 0.00, smaller than 0.05, meaning that the variable has a significant influence. The next is simple linear regression test. The direction of the influence of the x1 variable on y is positive. The regression equation is as follows: y 39.972 plus 0.612. The direction of the influence of the x2 variable on y is positive. The regression equation is as follows: y is 0.430 plus 0.350. The next is hypothesis test. T count greater than T table, that is equal to 6.779, greater than 1097, and with a significant limit of 0.05, then the value of the probability calculation of significances is 0.000 smaller than 0.05 with a positive direction of the coefficient. Thus, it means that HA is accepted or promotion has a positive and significant effect on transaction decision. Ticon greater than T table, which is 7.776 greater than 1.97 and with a significance limit of 0.05, then the value of the probability calculation of significances is 0.000 smaller than 0.05 with a positive direction of the coefficient. Thus, it means that HA is accepted or ease of use has a positive and significant effect on transaction decision. The next is person correlation test. So is the significance value between the promotion variable and the transaction decision is 0.000 in the sense of smaller than 0.05, then the promotion variable x1 and the transaction decision variable y have a correlation relationship. Will the correlation coefficient between variable x1 and y is 0.431, which means that the variable has a moderate correlation. So if the significance value between the ease of use variable and the transaction decision is 0.000 in the sense of smaller than 0.05, then the ease of use variable x2 and the transaction decision variable y have a correlation relationship, while the correlation coefficient between variable x2 and y is 0.481, which means that the variable has a moderate correlation. The next is test the coefficient determination. From the table above, the coefficient of determination in the R square column is 0.431, which indicate that 43.1% of transaction decisions are influenced by promotion variable, and the remaining 56.9% is influenced by other variable not included in this study. From the table above, the coefficient of determination in the R square column is 0.481, which indicate that 48.1% of transaction decisions are influenced by the ease of use variable, and the remaining 51.9% is influenced by other variable not found in this study. Next is discussion. Promotion to transaction decision. Based on the calculating result, promotion have an effect on transaction decision on ShopeePay users by students of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. There is a positive and significant influence between promotion variable on transaction decision. This has been proven by the equation, namely y 39.972 plus 0.612, so that the hypothesis HA can be accepted. Based on the result of the t-test, there is a positive and significant influence between the promotion variable on transaction decision, namely Ticon greater than t-table, which is 6.779 greater than 1097 with a significant probability value of 0.000 smaller than 0.05. There is a moderate correlation between promotion and transaction decision. This study showed the coefficient of determination total 43.1%. Next is ease of use to transaction decision. Based on the calculation result, ease of use affect transaction decision on ShopeePay users by student of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. There is a positive and significant influence between the ease of use variable on transaction decision. This has been proven by the equation y 1440 0.430 plus 0.350, so that the hypothesis HA can be achieved. Based on the result of the t-test, there is a positive and significant influence between the promotion variable on transaction decision, namely t-count greater than t-table, which is 7.776 greater than 1097 with a significance probability value of 0.000 smaller than 0.05. There is a moderate correlation between ease of use and transaction decision. This study showed the coefficient of determination of 48.1%. The next is chapter 5, closing. Conclusion: there is a positive and significant influence between promotion and transaction decision on a student of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. The more intense or intensive the promotion carried out by the company, the higher a person decision to make a transaction. There is a positive and significant influence between ease of use and transaction decision on a student of the Faculty of Economics, State University Jakarta. The easier the technology to use, the higher a person decision to use or adopt the technology. Next is research limitation. This research on transaction decision is only limited to independent variable, while there are still many other variables that can still be used. The population in this study was too narrow because only students of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta were taken. There are still answers from respondents who have not been consistent. This may have happened because the respondents were not careful when filling out the questionnaire. The next is recommendation for future research. In the future research, it is recommended to go directly to the field when the pandemic has passed. The aim is to minimize invalid data. In future research, the research hopes to re-examine two topics that are still related to the theory of technology acceptance with the aim of revealing what factor can influence decision to use technology. In future research, the research hopes to add other variables that might have a strong influence. In the future research, it is recommended to take a wider population so that data can be concluded quickly. In the study, the research used a simple linear regression analysis technique, and for future research, other more diverse technique might be used. Okay, that's the explanation of the research result I can submit. If there are any lesson in the submission of my material, sorry and thank you.